For those of you on the spiritual path, you're going to be raising your vibratory rate higher and higher, as we said many times, and you get to a point where you can see beyond the opposites. You will see that everything that before seemed a good, bad, opposites. No, they are mutually dependent. They are two sides of the same coin. So the idea of division just goes into a whole other realm because you have raised your place where you can see both sides of any issues. And that is capitalized in the classic symbol of the yin and yang symbol. And then you'll notice when you look at it that in the midst of the yin, there's a dot of yang. And in the midst of the yang, there's a dot of yin. So both sides are mutually dependent. It's not either or, no, not that whatsoever. And that's how the mystics talk. But now quantum physicists are coming or have been coming to this very same conclusion. So in quantum physics, they would say, some atom can be distinguished and not distinguished. It can exist and not exist, like these complete opposites that'll just boggle your mind. So on the level of subatomic particles, they often talk about how particles are destructible and indestructible. Or they say matter is continuous and discontinuous. And all this is proven mathematically and by experiments and everything. So anyway, a really good indication of this, Niels Bohr, one of the creators of quantum physics, was knighted for his accomplishments and service in science. And so he had a chance to pick a coat of arms for his family coat of arms. And he put in there an appropriate symbol, and he put in the yin and yang symbol. And so there was an indication where quantum physics and the claims made by mystics on a spiritual front are all coming together. So it's kind of like the way Rumi, the great poet, says, there's a place beyond good and evil. I'll meet you there. And that's where we're all headed, to a place where there's major unification on this profound level. By the way, if you're new to Wisdom Sushi Bites, welcome aboard. Thank you for joining us. And if you like these kinds of posts, please hit a like and spread it around. And together we can help change the world by raising consciousness, the best thing we can do. We will be the peace we want in the world. And thank you.